Actually, you're today's chief guest.
Yes.
Yourself is a kind of example for everybody, and you given a very good example to all the teachers, and especially to the especially to the retired teachers, because those retired teachers who are thinking that they are all enough, that you gave a very good message to them. So in very briefly, what you will say, and this kind of this common celebration of Teachers Day, how you feel about this?
Here I'd like to thank this organizer, especially our DDSC.
Yes.
This is the first time I saw so big arrangement, big gathering, big teachers celebration of biggest Teachers Day.
Right.
So I was really, it was very good
Right.
because I never saw such a big arrangement.
Right.
This is a really you have done.
Yes.
I wish he continues in future. This those who will be coming next DDSC should also follow this
Right.
type of things. This was a very I appreciate how they manage it.
Right, sir.
This
And
is my
sir-
wish.
Yes, sir. And sir, would you like to repeat the message you have given to the retired teachers who are sitting idly?
Yeah, in that case, I would say they shouldn't feel themselves retired.
Right.
They have retired from one assignment only.
Right.
The teaching profession. That is one assignment they retired. They have not retired from age.
Right.
Age is a number only. Age is a figure.
Right.
So they shouldn't feel that they are retired.
Right.
They have retired from teaching profession only. They should start new life.
Right.
As I said, in Japan,
Right.
after 70s they should start living their life.
Right.
But here in our country, after attending 60s, we start calling ourselves aged. But I don't feel myself aged.
Right.
So I am 64, still I am young.
Right.
So I have so many planning in my life to do. So
Right.
I have another life to start.
Exactly,
Thank
sir.
you.
Exactly, sir. So I think with your leadership, the Arunachal University, as a vice chancellor of the university, hopefully your energy, your knowledge will transform many students in their better future. As a DDSC,
Yeah.
you have managed a very well planned program for all the teachers for the first time in Orgo Eastern District. So how did you plan up this program? And it was very successful. We all saw this. And what is the exact objective to bring them together?
Thank you. Thank you for this compliment.
Yes.
Really, this program was a very nice program. I hope I am very much proud of myself that this program has been a very successful and very colorful one.
Right.
As you have seen, the attainments, coming of teachers,
Right.
the turning up of teachers.
Right.
We are not expecting such. We are having 1,230 teachers,
Right.
as I have said already.
Right.
But I thought that it will come around 800. But today I have seen around 1,200 teachers have come. They have attended this program. So
Right.
it is a nice thing.
Right.
And since I have joined DDSC, I felt many a times that all the schools, they are celebrating only in their schools.
Right.
Why not celebrate it in a very grand manner, in a very in an organized manner? So
Right.
I thought would be a very nice one, and we have decided it, but we have meeting after meeting
Right.
to conduct it. Some have discouraged me, but many have encouraged me that, sir, we will help you, we'll do it.
Right.
If, under your leadership, we'll do it, and it will be a very successful one.
Right.
So I took more steps to how to organize this in a good way, nice way, and in a
Right.
successful way. So I felt those teachers who were about reluctance, almost reluctance in the beginning, they have also realized that organizing in a grand manner, in a single manner.
Right.
So it would be a very nice thing. So they have this morning, I have seen many of the teachers, they are attending, and they have attended. Almost 90% of the teachers have attended.
Right.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Right.
This is a proud moment for all of us.
Right.
Here, almost 1,238 teachers of the district have turned up. It is quite encouraging.
Right.
So I give the credit to our DDC sir.
Right.
Under his able leadership,
Right.
we could have organized this mega event. I think it is the first time in the district
Right.
to organize such a mega event on the Teachers' Day.
Right.
It's a proud moment, and I can proudly say that yes, on this day, teachers are very much encouraged, and we rededicate our services
Right.
with utmost sincerity, dedication, devotion, and with a commitment.
Yes.
And this day will written in golden letter in the history of education in the district of East Siang district.
Right.
Really, not only our teachers, but the public, like-minded people, CBOs,
Right.
and officers,
Yes.
they have contributed a lot
Right.
in case and kinds and encourage us to conduct this event.
Right.
Now on this day, really we strengthen our unity, integrity,
Right.
and it is said that united we stand and divided we fall.
Definitely.
Therefore, I would like to send a message to my younger teachers,
Right.
younger generation teachers.
Right.
They should also follow this
Spirit.
vocabulary spirit,
Yes.
so that in future
Right.
teachers should be united and they should fight for the cause of education in the district.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So, and we also expect that under your leadership and under DDS's leadership, many more good things will happen under education department in East Siang district. Thank you so much.
Definitely, sir.
Yes.
Under the leadership of our President DDSC Oduk Tapin sir,
Yes.
definitely the Department of Education East Siang district will measure more milestones.
Yes.
For example, last time because of his able leadership,
Right.
the result of class 10
Right.
CBSE examination for the last 2020-24, class 10 result was enhanced by 16% and class 12 result was enhanced by 24%. And this team, under his leadership,
Right.
East Siang team is doing a tremendous job.
Right.
And I think that I advise my younger generations to keep up this spirit, so that once upon a time, in Arunachal Pradesh, East Siang district was the hub of education.
Right.
So in order to gain the lost glory of this education in this district,